Imagine your child, starting this fall, using advanced artificial intelligence in every class, for free. Google just made Gemini, its latest AI tool, available to all schools. But is it really that safe? The latest research shows it could have unexpected effects on the brain. Hey, if you're into tech and education news, make sure to subscribe, because there's more shocking news like this coming. Google has announced that its advanced AI tool, Gemini, is now free for all schools using Google Workspace for education. This means every teacher and student can use AI in class, at home, for homework, and exam prep. So, what exactly does Gemini bring? Automatic generation of lesson plans, quizzes, presentations, and notes. Teachers can create their own AI tutors, gems, tailored to the class's needs. Students can generate podcasts, summaries, quizzes, or language learning materials. It all works directly in Google Docs, Slides, and other Google tools. Google claims all data is protected and won't be used to train their AI. Sounds like a revolution, right? Absolutely! Teachers save tons of time preparing materials. Students can learn faster and more creatively. Even less affluent schools get access to cutting-edge tech. It's great prep for the future job market. But here's where it gets tricky. Will students stop thinking for themselves? The latest brain imaging research shows that people who regularly use AI, like ChatGPT or Gemini, have reduced activity in areas responsible for creativity and problem-solving. After a few months, these differences were clear and didn't disappear just by going back to traditional learning.
There was this really interesting study that happened out at MIT. 54 subjects were put to the test. Write an SAT-style essay using either Google or ChatGPT. The ones that used just the AI portion turned out their brain activity while studied under EEG was really low. There's just not much going on in their brain.
The company promises security, but not everyone is convinced. Won't students just cheat on homework with AI? Are schools becoming too dependent on one company and its ecosystem? Is Google doing this out of the goodness of their heart? They want young people to use their products from an early age. It's an investment in future users. The education market is worth billions, with fierce competition from Microsoft and OpenAI. Free AI is great PR and builds Google's image as an innovator. Is free AI in schools the future of education, or a threat to young minds? Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit subscribe and give a thumbs up if you want more news like this. Share this video with teachers or parents you know. Everyone should know what's coming to schools this fall.